Dongguan Venus Optoelectronic Co Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service of LED lighting. Our products mainly include LED indoor lighting, decorative lights, LED holiday lights, LED outdoor landscape lights, LED industrial lighting, and other specifications. Our products passed through the European Community CE, RoHS certification, North American UL, CUL, and many more regional product certification. We also obtain a number of LED national patents. Our products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions in Europe and America. We take advantage of advanced production technology, excellent quality, and excellent after-sales service to provide better products and services for customers at home and abroad.